that's kind of like what's going on there. I mean, when I play it solo, I would dress it up differently than that, but. Gotta get over, gotta get over. That's just like boom, 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 boom. That's a classical, cheesy little. But with that sawbutt sounds great. So it's C, F, G, back to F. Okay, yeah, there's the part before that though.
Let's
do that. Sorry. I like that a lot, actually. Oh, yeah, let me show you that part. It eventually gets to this, but initially, because I think here's what I like. You can do whatever you want with this. C, root note, 8th fret, low string. Not even a chord. I just play the root, and then I play C over E, which is a nice inversion if you don't know that. 12 on the low string, skip over the A string or mute, and then give me 10 on the D string, 12 on the 3rd string, 13 on the 2nd string. So C, C over E, F, A minor, G. So I like that a lot. Of course, I can put that rhythm in. So when I'm playing solo, that's what I do. You know, that sounds cool.